So, ladies and gentlemen, you will gather I haven't quite mastered the Spanish language yet, so please allow me to continue in English. As you all know, Opel has gone through a difficult time, and I'm happy to say that we are now back on track and getting stronger every day. In 2010, Opel Vauxhall increased market share in 18 out of 27 European countries, including key markets like Spain, the UK, France, and Italy. In Germany and the UK, as well as 6 other countries, we're back in the top 3 brands. And at the end of February, our parent company, General Motors, announced its calendar year 2010 results, and with that, the first profit year since 2004. All 4 quarters were in the black, and in fact, GM made more money in 2010 than in the previous 10 years altogether. It's a clear sign that we're being renewed from our base. GM has completely restructured itself and is back at the top of the global automotive industry, having sold 8.4 million cars in 2010. And I should like to point out that we are in a global industry that is growing. Solid growth is expected this year in North America, and while sales in Europe as a whole will be broadly flat this year, Eastern Europe continues to expand. And in the emerging so-called BRIC markets, Brazil, Russia, India, and China, we're still seeing strong growth, ranging from 5 to 20%. It's a global industry that has weathered a storm and is now set on strong recovery. Those companies who have established a truly global footprint, like GM, are the ones who are going to benefit most. At the same time, there can be downsides to globalization, particularly on the supply side. In the wake of the recent tragic events in Japan, for example, Zaragoza was the first plant in the GM manufacturing network to experience supply chain problems, as Japanese suppliers struggle to cope with the impact of the catastrophe. But fortunately, we've been able to manage the situation so far without any losses in production, but of course we keep monitoring the development closely. Being part of a larger manufacturing network proves to be helpful in this case as well. Beyond this, Opel benefits greatly from being a part of GM's global operations in an additional dimension. We enjoy all the cost advantages that flow from a global purchasing organization and the economies of scale that offers us. And our International Technical Development Center carries the global development responsibility for GM's pivotal compact car architecture. The GM network is our greatest resource when it comes to product, and we are taking full advantage of that. At the same time, Opel has the ultimate responsibility for every one of our products that come out. One aspect that was decisive in maintaining our forward momentum is the fact that the company continued investing in our products and in new technologies, even when it was financially challenging to do so. We never stopped investing in our future, and this is paying off now.